If you're deciding between SteamOS and Bazzite, the difference really comes down to simplicity versus flexibility. SteamOS is Valve's official gaming-focused operating system. It's designed primarily for the Steam Deck and delivers a console-style experience. You boot straight into gaming mode, everything is pre-optimized, and you don't need to think about drivers, kernels, or system tweaks. It's stable, polished, and very plug-and-play. Bazzite, on the other hand, is community-driven and based on Fedora. It takes the SteamOS concept and expands it. It's updated more frequently, supports newer GPUs and handheld PCs faster, and works especially well on devices like the ROG Ally, Lenovo Legion Go, or MSI Claw. It also gives you a full desktop Linux experience with more control over performance tuning, desktop environments, and additional apps. So here's the simple breakdown. If you want a console-like hands-off experience on officially supported hardware, then SteamOS is ideal. If you want more hardware compatibility, faster updates, deeper customization, and full desktop flexibility, then Bazzite is the stronger choice.